How to add animation to your video on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. You can upload a new video from here or just choose from your drafts. I already have this video, so let's say that you want to add animation to this video, for example. All what you have to do is simple. Just click on your video like this. Now go right here down and swipe right, click on animation, choose in or out or combo like this, and now choose any animation you want from here. Let's choose, for example, this one. Now as you can see, it looks so professional. As you can see, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.